Copy campaigns easily in Google Ads. Welcome to our quick guide on how to copy campaigns easily in Google Ads. If you are managing multiple campaigns or want to duplicate successful ones, Google Ads offer a simple way to copy and paste campaigns and ad groups. In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to replicate campaigns to save time and maintain consistency across all accounts. So let's get started. So we are on my screen, and today I will show you how you can duplicate the existing campaign. That means how you can copy and paste a campaign. So if you want to create a specific campaign for computers or the mobile devices, you will have to copy your existing campaign and then paste as a new campaign. So you can do the bid adjustment. You don't have to create the campaign again from scratch for that similar setup. You can simply copy the campaign and then paste it in the account. So I'll show you how you can copy it. First, you select the campaign. So let's say if I want to create this campaign, I want to duplicate this campaign, and I'll select this campaign, then click on the edit button. Once I click on the edit button, I can see the option copy. So you can use Ctrl C also to copy the campaigns. Once you click on the copy, it will require a little time to copy that campaign. Once you click on that, then after a few seconds you will see the paste option here. You can see the paste option, then click on the paste option. Then it will ask where to paste this campaign. So we have this account, so select the account. Then you can adjust the start date, you can adjust the end date, or you can pause this campaign after pasting also. Or in fact, this will also give you the option to change the settings, to keep it in the drafts. But if I want to create this, then I'll keep it paused after creating a new campaign. Select what you required. If you want to adjust the start date, then you can select it and adjust the date. You can adjust the start and end date. Then once you have chosen the option, then click on the paste. Once you paste, it will take a little time to paste that campaign. So probably 5 to 10 seconds it will require to paste that campaign. It's taking time, it's updating, so yeah, so wait, and then you can see after some time you can see it is gradually loading up, pasting. You can see the blue line here. So it is done. You can scroll down and you can review that campaign. So you can similarly see the campaign name, and it has hashtag too, that is, it is a copy of the first one. So this is copied. You can then do the adjustment, whatever the adjustments are required, and then make it live. So that is how you can copy and the paste campaigns in Google. That's how you can easily copy campaigns in Google Ads. Now you can replicate your top performing campaigns quickly and efficiently, helping you streamline your advertising effort. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.